Hello, this is Slingshot Warrior, coming to you from my laundromat. I decided to show you my prototype rubber band rifle. This is almost like the kind I used to shoot as a boy. Slingshot Warrior brand. With a groove and everything. And a clamp instead of a clothespin, just like Grandpa used to do. Now this is a real industrial rubber band. A family member gave some of these to me. I had to tie them up myself. They weren't naturally brained. But it's a simple method of loading. That is just rubber band rifles can be loaded in a very similar way. With the clamp right here. See? Now, you see that blue can over there? Well, now that is an industrial rubber band. But wait, there's more. I have some homemade chain bands made from Staples thick rubber bands, the kind you get at Staples bag. About $3 a bag. You can chain these together and tie them at the ends. These are weaker than those industrial rubber bands. But they can still do some damage. High power rubber band gun. Come, get it today. Slingshot Warrior brand. Bye.